Hello students. So this is just a brief introduction to all the methods that we are going to learn in the chapter linear equations in two variables. These are the system of equations that we have, and basically broadly we can distribute it in two methods. The one is the graphical method where we plot a graph, and the second is algebraic method where we solve equations and find the values. Now, graphical method I have already discussed in one of my videos, where we take the two equations and find corresponding pairs of xy for them, three values for each equation, point all the six we have to plot on the graph sheet, and we get two lines, and if they intersect at one point, then we get the solution, unique solution for that system of equations. Now I will tell you how many algebraic methods we have for solving the system of equations. There are three methods. The first method is substitution method, and this method you are already familiar with and already using it. In this method, we take the first equation and determine the value of one variable from it, like we will determine the value of y from first equation and substitute that value of y in the second equation. So we substitute value of any one variable in the other equation and then solve it, and then when we get the value, we substitute it back to the original equation. Thus we get the value of the second variable also. So it is known as substitution method. The second one is the elimination method. This method is completely new to you, and I will discuss it in my next video. The elimination method, here we eliminate one variable at a time and then we substitute the value of the known variable in the other equation to get the values of both the variables. Since we eliminate values by making the coefficients equal, this is called as elimination method. The third method is the cross multiplication method. Now in cross multiplication method, we write both the equations one below the other in standard form. The standard form is this, and then we have to take some corresponding values in a cross multiplication format. We take the coefficients b1 b2, then c1 c2, a1 a2, then again b1 b2, and we cross multiply them and take them as denominators of x and y, and then we solve them simultaneously and get the values of the variables. So these are all the methods we will use to find the value of variables in given system of equations. Thank you.